gets me every time.
On the left hand side of the user interface is known as a toolbar. We're going to have a lot of tools we'll be working with. If we take a look at some of the icons, we have select tools, we have more advanced selection tools here, then we got a paint selection tool, and then we got move tool, rotate tool, scale tool, and then we got the universal manipulator. Here we got a top modification tool, and here you can see show manipulator tool. This area is empty at the moment. Here is for the previously used tool. Like for example, if the tool which was used at the last, you can just go from here rather than going to the menu bar or from the shelf editor. Below here we have got the number of different saved layouts. If you have seen the previous video of the panel menu, where we have the saved layout in the panel section. As you can see in the panel menu, we have got number of different options of the saved layout. As you can see, the number of different windows layout combined with inside the interface. As we have got here is the perspective graph. We have also got perspective graph panel here also. There are same number of different ways in Maya of accessing the same tools and commands. Below our panel, we got two individual sections. We will discuss both of these at the same time. This whole section is related to animation in Maya. This top part is known as a timeline. It really helps us to show at what frame you are at the moment. You can left click and drag, and you can actually go to each frame by dragging onto it. Next to the timeline, we have all the options of the playback button like play, play to the end. So there is a lot of button here for the play button. The benefit of having a time slider is that when we begin to animate objects, we begin to set a note in each keyframes. Beneath the timeline, we have got the range slider, and the benefit of the range slider is it gives you an opportunity to adjust the length of an animation. We can do that is from here. We are having individual values here. First one here is the start time of the animation, and next to it is we have got the start time of the playback range, and this one is the end of the playback range, and this one is the end of the animation. As you can see, we have got 24 frames, and here we have got the sliding section. If you left click and drag on the cube here, you can see the length of the frame is changed, or if we left click in the middle and drag, it will show the area of the frame what we want to see. If you want to increase the length of the frame, you can set it from here, and you can see the length is changed. Next to that is the animation layer, and beside this is the character sets, and next to it is a keyframe, and the last one is the animation preferences. If you want to know more on this software, go ahead and subscribe to my channel given in the screen.